You are going to love the 2008 Liberty. The Jeep Liberty is quite capable off-road, one of the best in its class. Compared to the Jeep Patriot and Compass, the Liberty is more of a true Jeep with off-road prowess and bold, upright styling. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fog lamps. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.